Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss the articles. The articles are determiners used before nouns or adjectives. Articles make it clear whether we are referring to something in general or in particular. We shall see today some basic rules for using the articles. So, we begin with indefinite articles. We use a or an to refer to something in general. For example, there is a tree in the garden. We have a test tomorrow. In each case, there is no specific thing being referred to. It could be any tree or any exam. A comes before singular countable nouns that begins with a consonant sound. For example, a rat, a boy, a tree, a house, a dog, a user, a union. Students, look at the last two examples. Why we used a along with user and union? It's because though you is a vowel word, but it has a consonant sound. It starts with U, Y, right? So we have used there not an, it's a union, a user. Let's now see the next rule. An comes before singular countable nouns that begins with a vowel sound or a mute H. Students, you already know what are the vowels, right? They are A, E, I, O, U. Let's now see few examples. An apple, an engineer, an ice cream, an old man, an umbrella, an heiress, an X-ray, an honest man. Students, look at the examples once again. We have two examples here which starts with H. Which are those? Yes, they are heiress and honest man. Here H in both the words are silent. They are mute H. So we need to use an. Why? Because both these words starts with a vowel sounds. Students, did you notice one more thing? That an is used before X-ray. Why so? Because it starts with a vowel sound E, X-ray. That's the reason that we need to use an before X-ray, not a X-ray, it is an X-ray. We also use a or an when we speak of someone or something for the first time. The articles can also be used before an adjective that comes before a noun. For example, our team has got a new captain. He is an intelligent boy. In the first sentence, what is the adjective given? Yes, new is the adjective here. So we have used the article a before adjective, that is new. And look at the second example. He is an intelligent boy. Here, what is the adjective given? Yes, that is intelligent. So we have used the article an before the adjective, not before the noun. Let's now see about the definite article. The is a definite article used to point out a noun. For example, I have lost the pen that you gave me. Here, we are speaking about a particular pen. So, we have used the article the. The is also used to refer to a person or thing that is well known to us. For example, the doctor will come soon. Here, we are speaking about a doctor who was supposed to come and who is well known to us. So, we have used the article the. We also use the article the when a person, a place, animal, or thing is mentioned a second time. Let's now see the example to understand this rule. We have a test tomorrow. We want to do well in the test. Here, in the first sentence, we are referring to the test for the first time. So, we have used the article a. And again, in the second sentence, we are mentioning the same test that we are going to have tomorrow, right? So, we are referring it to the second time. So, we use the article the. We also can use the when there is only one such thing like the moon, the sun, etc. We also use the when naming a noun that refers to an entire group of its kind. For example, the whale is a mammal. Here we are naming a noun. Which is the noun here? Whale, right? So we are naming a noun that refers to an entire group of its kind. We are referring to the all the whale, right? So we have used the article the. We also use the before ordinal numbers and before superlative adjectives. What are the ordinal numbers? Yes, ordinal numbers are those which tells about the position of something in a list like first, second, third, fourth, etc. We shall now see the examples. The first one. The second seat in that row is mine. Here, second is the ordinal number. So, before the ordinal number, we have used the article the. Let's now notice the second example. You are the best. Here, what is a superlative adjective? Yes, best is a superlative degree, right? So, we have used before that the article the. We cannot use definite article before names of games. We use the definite article the before following proper nouns. Let's see which are those. Names of oceans. For example, the Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. Names of rivers and seas. For example, the Ganges is a sacred river. Names of deserts. For example, the Thar Desert is in western India. Names of landmarks. For example, I live behind the post office. Names of monuments. For example, the Taj Mahal is an epitome of love. Names of natural wonders. For example, the Niagara Falls is in North America. Names of places containing the word of. Example, the United States of America is a democratic country. Names of places ending in plural s. Example, the British Isles are a group of islands. Names of newspapers, magazines and books. Example, the Times of India is a popular English newspaper. Names of hotels and restaurants. Example, the Taj Hotel is in Mumbai. We do not use definite article the with the following proper nouns. Let's now see which are those. The names of continents, streets and most countries. Names of lakes and mountains. Names of days, months and festivals. And before the names of peoples, we do not use the article the. Now we are going to see the pseudo articles. The following are the important cases when articles are not used. We do not use any articles before plural countable nouns in a general sense. uncountable nouns, and material nouns. For example, gold is more expensive than silver. Here, gold and silver both are material nouns, so no articles are used here. We do not use any articles before abstract nouns when used in general sense. For example, he spoke in honesty. Here, honesty is the abstract noun and no articles are used here. We do not use any articles before the names of relations like father, mother, etc. For example, father will be angry if we are late. Here, before father, no articles are used. We do not have to use any articles before proper nouns such as names of countries, towns, streets, languages, and mountain peaks. For example, we live in India. Here, India is the name of the country, so we don't have to use any articles there. Second example, do you speak Spanish? Again, Spanish is a language, so no article should be used. Lastly, in some fixed expressions where a preposition is followed by its object, we do not use the articles. For example, at home, in bed, at sunset, at daybreak. Dear students, so that's all about the articles.